Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by comparing Celcom plans online or at a store near you. Look for plans with clear monthly data such as 30 GB and stated prices like RM50. Decide between prepaid versus postpaid contracts depending on your budget and commitment preferences. Check contract length when choosing. Some plans lock you for 24 months. Verify that the plan explicitly allows hotspot tethering. Confirm the plan supports simultaneous connections for up to 5 devices if you need multiple users. Next, buy a compatible 4G LTE MiFi device or hotspot modem for Celcom service. Look for devices listed as compatible with Celcom network bands and carrier settings. Expect device prices starting around RM99 and consider bundle deals that include SIM and initial data. Ask the retailer to insert and activate the SIM before you leave the store. Confirm the SIM supports data, tethering, and APN settings required by Celcom for immediate use. After purchase, activate your SIM using the Celcom app, UST code, or in-store assistance. Follow on-screen prompts to set the APN and confirm that data is enabled for tethering. Place the MiFi device near a window or higher location to improve 4G LTE signal strength and speed. Connect devices and test a speed check to confirm performance for streaming or video calls. Monitor data usage in the Celcom app and buy add-ons quickly if you exceed your 30 GB monthly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.